Hey guys, so first we have an egg with starburst. Then we have some spill-proof bubbles. My daughter loves bubbles, and this is for my 2-year-old. She also has a washcloth. And some lollipops around, a glove of bubble, a Minnie Mouse coloring book, and a Minnie Mouse little toy that she can play with in the bathtub. And then on the side, you see a mini cash register. This basket is for my oldest, and she has a tracker. She likes to run, and she's in the Girls on the Run, so that will be really helpful for that. She also has a glove of bubble, this little fast Bite 5 game, this little surprise ball with 5 toys inside of it. Squishy, a football squishy. She's obsessed with squishies. There's some Kinder eggs. She loves those. A little Starburst egg. Some gum, pack of gum. She's obsessed with gum as well. Then there's also some mini blow pop things, and there's also some little Reese egg things. I didn't pull them out, but they're like in the front of the basket. And I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.